Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel. I'm a home educating mum of 4. Today's video, it's Sunday. I'm sat in my car waiting for my son to row, bless him. I'm just in the middle of editing the video I made yesterday. We took a trip on the Looe Valley Line, which is a train line running between Liskeard in Cornwall to Looe in Cornwall. The train runs down the edge of the river, and when the tide's in, it looks like it's in the middle of the river. It's really fun. I look like an absolute nutcase because I'm sat in my car with my phone and my gimbal talking to myself, and there is somebody walking past staring at me. Yeah, so it was a really fun trip. I thoroughly recommend it if you have little ones and kids who like trains, and maybe adults who like trains. It's fun. It's not very expensive. I think it cost me £12.70 for myself and 2 of my children, to just do a single Liskeard to Looe. We drove out to Liskeard so that we could get on the train, and then my husband drove the car to Looe, so we didn't have to go back out to Liskeard to go home. But it was really fun, and my little girls wanted to do it for ages, so we thought we'd go and do that yesterday as we were heading to Looe for a regatta. Anyway, so I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. It does get better. Just lean up and keep your shoes off the seat. You'll be able to see everything. That's the Bodmin line going over Trago Mills. There we go, look, little crossing. This is Coombe House or something. This is the Looe Valley Line, Liskeard to Looe. This is where we are, and we've just made our first stop. You can just about see up there. Not really, camera's in the wrong place. Yeah. We're off to a regatta, so we thought we'd do it in a fun way today. probably changing points, I would have thought. Because obviously they have a train go down and a train come up. There you go, look at the window.
Oh yeah.
You see? Oh, it might be that we're going up and then back down again. Still feel like we're going in the wrong direction though. I've been on here before. Level crossing. Horses. That side. Yeah. Can you tell how many years it's been since I've done this?
Yeah.
We used to do this all the time when we were little. Like, all the time, because we lived just around the corner from the train station and it was really cheap back then.
My film was on.
You what?
My film was on the sea.
Darling. more fun. That's the road there, alongside the track going through to Looe. And here we go. Train goes through the river. Look out the window, guys, because we're going to start going into the river. Look. And that all up there is Sand Place, is where Tranant Park is. Swan. And this is the beauty of coming on the Looe Valley Line. When the tide's in, it's like you're literally in the middle of the water. It's crackers. So if you get the opportunity to come on the Looe Valley Line, always come. If you're close enough to high tide, do it then. Here's the bridge. That goes all the way through. And this river's tidal, so it goes out to Looe. Interesting to see all the gigs arriving this morning and seeing them all being unloaded and rowed round. Crazy person out there just in shorts paddleboarding. It's cold today, man. It's a boy as well. They are crackers. And there we are. All the way into Looe. We'll film getting off the train.
Or are you turning back too?
No, right. There's no point going all the way out to Liskeard if we don't need to. And that car park over there is called Millpool, and that's like the main big car park. There's one car park on the front called Buller's Quay, which is cheaper than Millpool, but it's near on impossible to get a space because it fills up really quickly. But Millpool car park is pretty huge, so you can generally always get parked in there.
Highest note to Rach.
Here we are at Looe Station. Me falling over, so I got out of my seat. This way, Zelly. Go ahead of mummy. You all enjoyed the trip? How was that, Zel? Now I just got to find Barry. Why? Yeah. Cardi, yeah. Good. What's the betting? Dad's going to drive past us in a minute. No, but he went to put air in my tyre, didn't he? I'll put a globe in. And there's the police station, should you need it. Oh, 5 minutes. There's only one that's low. You reckon? Oh. You got your phone? Yeah? Okay.
I like, basically, yeah, you know, when I was looking at see that.
Yeah?
I thought you were saying I see the lens potentially on my phone, so like, I was like,
No. Because I forgot that the train kind of like boomeranged on itself.
I actually put it in the way.
I did, because I'd forgotten. It's been so long since we've done that trip.
I don't know that. Is that fun?
Yeah, but I want to do it again.
Oh yeah? We'll do it again another weekend, take Daddy.